What is good, family? We're going to be talking about forexfactory.com and why it's a big major key to start your trading journey. So what forexfactory.com is basically the news of everything going around the world for every single pair. For the euro, for the Great British pound, the Canadian dollar, the US dollar, the Australian dollar, the Japanese yen, right? So all you're going to do is you're going to see, it's going to have the date here, right? Today's October 4th. It's Friday. So today was NFP. And every first Friday of the month, something big goes down at 8 a.m. All right. So as you can see, the Canadian dollar and the US dollar was impacted. So all I'm going to do is at 8 o'clock, I'm going to be ready to look at the markets and react to what is going to happen. So all you're going to be looking for is red folders. The moment you see red folders, you are going to be able to say, hey, I better look at the charts at this time. You know, at 2 o'clock, something went down for the US dollar as well. So let's say if I go into the future, right, I'm going to go now into next week, right? This is on Monday. So on Monday at 1 p.m., the US dollar is going to have a high impact news. On Tuesday, the Great British pound is going to have high impact news at midnight, right? And 1:50 in the afternoon on this date. So as you can see, all we're looking for is the red folders. Don't worry about the yellow and orange folders. You just want to look at those times, be ready to trade, be ready to react, and don't do an impulse trade. You want to have multiple confirmations. Make sure you know what you're trading. Look at the harmonic scanner, look at all the products, make sure you're finding good, accurate trades, connect them with forexfactory.com, and you're going to be ready for success. So look out for those red folders. Check what day it is. The best days to trade are between basically Monday through Thursday. And I personally like to trade 3 a.m. to 10 a.m. and then 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. for Australian, New Zealand pairs. So thank you so much, everybody. Let's change lives one day at a time.